Hey guys, my name is Rodrigo, and in this video I will show you how to remove this pesky error, this EFAULT exception call error. This happens when you try to install Deluge, the version 1.3.15 underscore 8. For some reason, the previous version underscore 7 was working fine, but if you try to install this underscore 8 version, it gives me this error. And I believe I'm not the only one. So I've been reading about this online, and it's happening a lot with this specific version. So yeah, let's go. Get ready. Take care of this. Yeah, sorry, I promised to make this video a couple days ago, but I had some technical problems with my machine, and even right now, when I fix the problems, I've been trying to replicate the solution a couple of times, but every time it would just give me a different error. Looks like the first time I got it, I was lucky because I remember doing it and it was fine. So yeah, let's try this. Everything I found online. I was doing research. So there's a couple of steps to do this. First, as you can see, the plugin, it's not installed. So this is a brand new system. Everything's by default, just to show you what I can do. And yeah, I advise you, if you have other jails, to probably not do this, because this method might erase the other jails, but I'm not sure, because I've just tried this on a new system. Everything's by default now. So as you can see, I created a pool, named it brown. So let's first, yeah, you know what? Let's not do this. I was going to create a group and user admin, which I normally do, but I think I'm not going to do it this time. Last time I was getting permission errors, so I'll just leave it as that. So that's that. Pool is done. Let's create, yeah, and by the way, I'm using a Mac, so if you're using Windows, some things might be a bit different, like the command lines and everything, but the idea is the same. So let's just give all the permissions. So I'm not sure, yeah, again, I'm just doing what uh, I did before to make it correct, make it work. I'm not sure if this is the best way or the most correct way, but this will work for sure. Yeah, so SSH is not enabled. We will have to do that. I mean, not SSH. You will need SSH, but the other services, AFP, yeah, because I'm using a Mac. That's fine, but we will need SSH as well. Where is it? Here it is. Make that automatic. And also don't forget to choose this first one, log in as root with password. Yep, that's fine. And okay, that's it for now. I have here a little cheat sheet. So the first thing you will do is go to this website, which I will leave in the description. And here it is. Come here. Next step is to download onto your machine, which I have done already. As you can see, it is here. Yeah, iocage. It has all these files. I think it's 48 in all. So you will need to connect to your Freenas. Nope, not this one. This is my other machine. Don't tell me I have to do this. Wait a minute. So that should be the password, no? Okay, maybe we will need to create the username and group. So let's go here. Even though I can't remember the password for that, but let's just do this anyway. There we go. Yeah, I like to do that and that. So that's creating the user called admin. Excuse me. Group, admin should be there. And what I also like to do, members, I'm not sure if this is the correct thing to do, but why not add root to the group of users. Okay, let me just see something else here. Let's just do that as well, just in case. You never know. Well, I never know because I'm always doing something different to it. So that should allow us to connect to the machine. There it is, brown. Okay. So we're looking for a folder called plugins _ index. In the Mac, it's in the Mac and in Windows as well, it is hidden. So you will have to change the name, which I'll show you how to do. Go to shell. Let's see. So cd. Okay, so cd mount. Then the name of your pool, and iocage. Okay. And as you can see, it's here. And that dot means that it's a hidden folder. So you'll just need to remove that, make it unhidden. So just go like this, the name, and then just plugin _ index. And as you can see, it is no longer hidden. And you can see here, for example, if you just go like this, yeah, there it is. So the next step is to copy those 48 files that you just downloaded right now and copy it here. So let's see if I have permissions. Oh, I don't have permissions. Great. What can I do to fix that? I can either, see if this will work, grant permissions to the plugin folder. Let's see if that helps. This is giving me total permissions 777. There's also 700, but for this, let's just do it just like that. Let's see if it works now. If I have permissions to copy, paste, okay. There we go. See if that works. Replace. Okay. Let's see. Next up is to open the deluge.json file to edit. I know I use Sublime. You can use, for example, notes or text edit. Doesn't really matter. Just need a text editor. You will need to change this to what I have here. I'll also leave this in the description. So just replace that with this. As you can see, it's a bit different. A couple of things are different. For example, here, official false. Let's see, save. Ah, damn it. So I don't have permissions as I thought I would have. Let's see. So permissions isn't there. See, it's always tricky. It's always something that catches me off guard. So let's see. What am I forgetting? I think, have I, where is it? Changed the permissions on the pool here. Let's see if this helps. Yes, okay. Save that. If that won't work, that doesn't work, I'll just try something else. Also here, this might be something in this, the sharing, to grant permissions, advanced. Oh, looks all good. Okay, let's see if that helps. Wait, copy that again. Copy that and paste that. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Cool. As you can see, it's taking its time, so that's a good sign. Okay, so let's try editing that again. Edit that. The same. What? Yes, okay, whatever. Yes. So copy that again. Select the text. As you can see here, official true, unstable. I think that's a problem because it was running the unstable version, and yeah. So that is that. Okay, looks good. It's saved. What is next? Next is to, okay. Let's SSH into the machine. So to do that, go to a terminal on your computer, write root, then the IP of your machine, of your Freenas, I mean, 68.178.174. That's mine. Oh, okay, so yeah, I'll have to just go to this folder, 'cause I'm not quite sure how it is with Windows, but I have to go here and just delete. Oops, whoa, what's this? No, okay, wait a minute. Let me just, okay. Let's try that again. You know what? Let's just clear this screen. SSH root, just to get that address again. That link, I mean, to 168.178.190.174. Right. So I have to go to cd users, then my folder, then .sh, right? Then, yeah. So let's go here. So wait. So that's the file we need to alter. So let's just edit that with this, for example, pico, and I have to erase this last line, which is the one I'm trying to access right now. We just erase that, because that has to do with the key, I believe. So after erasing all that, it's a big line. Probably an easier way to do this, but whatever. Control X, modify, yeah. Let's try it again. See, now it's working. Cool. Password. There we go. So let's go back. ls. Okay, cool. So now we can go on to the next step, which is write this command here. And I will show you what each little thing means. So iocage, as you can see, I already know this by heart. I've done this so many times today. Name, then this is the directory of where that JSON file is, the deluge file. Brown iocage plugins, okay. The name of the file, deluge, then IP4 underscore ADDR, then equals all of that. This EM0, I will show you what that is. That is the interface. You can see what the name of your interface is by going to dashboard, and it's here, name EM0. And by the way, since we're here, we can see that the IP address of Freenas is ending in 174, which will come in useful in the next command. So EM0, then pipe, then 192. And here you can put whatever IP address you want. 178. Since mine is 174, I thought I can just put 180, or you can put 179, or yeah, whatever you want. So that looks good. See if it goes. Oh, what am I missing? Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot that fetch. Sorry about that. Go back. Fetch. Yep. Okay. So now it will hopefully install. Yeah, here you have to choose which one you want, which plugin. You want Deluge, which is number 5 up here. So here you just write 5. Okay. Now hopefully it will install. Okay. Okay, yeah, this again. This happens when, yeah, I gave too much the 777, which you saw before, which allowed me to copy the files into the folder. It's now saying that it's too much. for that, we have this here, these commands, which I will do in the show. So we can I'll put all of this stuff in the description below. So we'll just copy paste each one, and hopefully that will do it. This will grant the correct permissions, which will allow the installation. Okay, here we go. Last one. Cool. Okay, since it tried to install, I think there will be already under plugins installed. I might be wrong, but what's going on here? Yeah, so here it is. It tried to install, but it wasn't successful. So you just go here and delete. And every time you try to like install and there's a mistake or there's an error, it'll create. So you have to come here and delete it. Let's try it again. Okay. The same thing. In this case, yeah, we'll have to just clean the iocage. No, it's iocage clean. Hopefully this will help. Yeah, I would advise you to not do this if you have other jails, because it will erase everything. So if you have anything else, like for example Plex or transmission or whatever, this will erase it. But I think this should help. Okay. So now it's going to download everything. This might take a while. Yeah, guys, this is a mess. I don't know what's happening, why this _8 was even released with these errors. It's been a nightmare. The only reason I'm having this issue was because I received a new machine. I bought a new machine, a more powerful server, and I'm starting for everything from scratch. So I'm installing everything from the beginning. And in my previous machine, I had the _7, and that's been flawless. I installed it, no issues. I've been running it for months now, no issues at all. But now with this _8, I've always had that error message. So I guess you can say that this fix is until the _9 is released. I don't know when that will happen. Yeah, it's not fun. So yeah, so this is installing. I'll probably just fast forward this so you guys aren't bored. Okay, so I'm back. Looks like it worked. Cool. As you can see, I have here the new address. So let's just see if it installed correctly. Okay, management. Ah, there we go. Password is deluge, I believe. Yes, okay. Yeah, it's working. Cool. I'm happy. Finally, it's working. I've been trying to get this thing to work flawlessly, like for the last 3 or 4 hours. But yeah, so that's that. I'll put all the stuff down, all these little notes. I'll write it down in the description. If you have like any other questions, please let me know. I'll do my best to help you, because this is very annoying. Believe me. I just want things to work, and when there's errors, and it's a nightmare. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.